Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by picking the photo you want to display when someone calls. Open Photos and confirm the image is sharp and centered. Low-resolution pictures look cropped or blurry on calls. Once done, remember which contact will receive the image and make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled if you want the change on multiple devices. Now, go to the Contacts app. Don't delay. We're about to attach that photo to the contact, so it appears on incoming and outgoing call screens. You're in Contacts now. Tap the person's name and hit Edit to change their details. Tap the photo circle or Add Photo, then select Photo Library to pick your prepared image or Take Photo to capture a fresh one. Position and scale the image so the face is centered. The iPhone crops to a circle, so adjust gently. After positioning, tap Choose and then Done to save. This makes the picture appear on the call screen and in messages, which helps you identify callers instantly. Finish by calling or asking the contact to call you to verify the image shows correctly on the incoming call screen. If the photo doesn't appear, you likely have duplicate contact records. Merge or delete extras so the updated record is used. Also, make sure your iOS version and contact sync settings are current. Sometimes a restart forces the photo to refresh. If problems persist, reassign the image or remove, and re-add the contact to resolve stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.